YouTubers, gunners, subscribers, everybody, welcome back. What's going on with you? Hello, how you doing? Hope all is well. Got a few things happening now. Wow, where do we begin? We're switching up the throttle body on O-Ren. We put a K-tuned 80 on it. We like the way that one is. It also has an IAC, so we'll just wait for the IAC to come in so we can bolt it onto the throttle body that's IAC compatible. So I'll head over to O-Ren, show it to you, and I got a big surprise for you guys. We're gonna go all-wheel drive after Project Driver. So I've got a lot of parts. I've accumulated a lot of parts within these couple of days, and if you follow me on Instagram, then you've seen the flip video. But sit back and enjoy, and let's have some fun, man. Keep gunning. All right, now. All right, guys. All right, guys. All right, so, all right, guys. Yep, all right, guys. All right, so, okay, boys. You got something to say, 40?
Yeah. Hi.
Trappy buttoning up the throttle body on O-Ren here. Put a K-tuned 80 on there. Probably gotta get a smaller coupler too, right, Trappy?
Yeah, probably go 4 to 3.
Smaller coupler.
4 to 3.5.
Yeah, 4 to 3.5. We'll be all set there. We got to bring the map sensor back up into the throttle body, which I liked a lot. So that's there. And hopefully I get my IAC really soon. But O-Ren is looking real sharp, man. She's a beauty. Little grease on the handle. Little grease on the door never hurt nobody. But yeah, can't wait to tune this thing. And then there goes a motor we picked up today. There it is. JDM TSX K24A. I think the only thing we're going to end up doing to it is swapping out the oil pan. I'd like to have like a 500 horsepower K-Series all-wheel drive kit. This is all new to me, so I'll show you guys the kit in a few. I can't use the engine stand, the vane engine stand yet, so I'm going to put it on this engine stand because I eventually have to change the oil pump to Type S. So, yeah, let me show you that all-wheel drive kit. And there it is right here. FCS all-wheel drive kit. Now, when he says kit, he means kit. I'm working on a coupon code. Well, I actually got it. It drops tomorrow, so we'll be golden if anybody wants to buy it or any FCS products. He's going to take off 20% for the gunners. 20% across the board on everything. So it comes with the lower control arms, all spherical. It comes with the subframe brace to where you can mount your rear diff. There it is. It comes with this brace. I don't know exactly where it goes yet. Bear with me. Also, well, we put this kit together to understand it. It is super, super heavy duty though. This you can definitely drive on the street with, without a doubt. It's really got some girth. Pause on the girth. But yeah, the full kit, man. Comes with everything in the box, all the nut certs you need, all the spherical joints that you need, and I'm excited. Any suggestions on EG shells? It has to be an EG shell because the kit is for an EG. It's easier to get motor mounts. Look, I got some motor mounts here, K-Series. I can find some later for Project Driver, or I can find some soon. Project Driver goes there, whatever the case may be. I got to do some research on what exactly is required with this all-wheel drive stuff. I think I might be going to see a Waggle van today and a K-Series transmission, so hopefully that comes through. But I'm going to sit that motor on the engine stand and get it ready. This guy on here. We're going to end up using the chain. We'll bolt up the chain to the motor and then use the lift to put it on the stand. We're not going to kill ourselves. So Trappy's grabbing that right now. And this is already in good position because I already had K24s on here. Nice. And we're wrong. They should have the bolts on it too, right? Or no? They don't?
No bolts.
Okay. Alright, so we could use here with that. Okay, drop it. 17. Right back. Oh, did I find it right now? Oh, nailed it. Nailed it. Coming off the header, Trappy. No, not yet. Hold on. I'm gonna loop it around to lift. Hold on. Let me just get this ready. Drop her down. I'm watching that camera. Keep going. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. A little bit more. And set. What? All right, buddy, yours. Yours. Keep going, man. Good to go. Work smart, not hard. Let's park this baby right next to Project Driver. And when the time is right, oh yeah, I saw that. Nice shirt, by the way. When the time is right, when the time is right, after Project Driver, we will put a Type S oil pump on it and try to make 500 stock. No head package, twin disc, Type S oil pump, fuel system, all-wheel drive. That is the goal. There it is. A lot of drama behind you, buddy. So guys, yeah, we're going all-wheel drive. We need to find a nice EG chassis. Hey, look at this guy. Yep. Yo, why do people back up so close? I almost hit Oren. Yeah, so all-wheel drive kit. From FCS Race. When Jason Parks was designing this, the owner of FCS Race, he told me, Aki, I want to build an all-wheel drive kit that you can install in your driveway, in your garage, no lift, nothing. If you have a lift, that's a plus. So from what me and Trap found out and the way that we pieced everything up yesterday and built this one, it looks like you can. So we're gonna get some more knowledge from him as far as where the nut serting goes, pause, and where everything is supposed to bolt up. Like I said, we're supposed to go look at a Wago van and a K-Series, I think a CRV manual 5-speed transmission. So if that works out, I think we're gonna have ourselves a fun car. Am I moving too fast? Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. Because Oren isn't even, Oren isn't 150%, and Project Driver is still ultimately next. But I'm excited about this all-wheel drive thing too. So yeah, this kit here, by the time you guys watch this, will be today. So today is Thursday. Tomorrow, I spoke to Jason yesterday. He loved the response from the flip video. So we're going to end up doing a coupon code which wipes off 20% tomorrow. Active. It's going to last almost 2 weeks. Because we understand. I told him, hey, listen, it's the end of the month, man. Everybody's paying bills or getting ready for bills. You know what I mean? So let it last a little bit so these people can catch up on their paychecks and purchase some stuff. So check out fcsrace.com. See what you're planning on buying. Fuel cell, trailer arm kit, degree kit, whatever it is, all-wheel drive kit. Check out their website. I'll put it in the description. And start planning. Because tomorrow, the coupon code is active. It's going to take off 20%. 20%. Goddamn gunner thing is like Groupon, man. But, yeah. Ain't really too much going on today. I mean, we put the motor on the stand, showed you the all-wheel drive kit. I'm telling you, this thing is heavy, guys. This thing is 100%. You could drive in the street now. Because the other one's super light. This is at least 30 pounds. At least 30 pounds. But it's a full bolt-on tubular kit. And I can't wait to see us launch this car, man. Whatever car we're going to build. But suggest an EG. Is it a coupe, hatch, or a four-door? You never know. Let us know. Like, comment, subscribe. Keep this one short. Keep you guys entertained. I hope to see you all at H-Day. I'm excited to see you all at H-Day. So, I hope you're all in good health. Keep gunning.